Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start pragmatically. Make sure WhatsApp is updated because older releases behave differently. Once done, unlock your phone and open settings. You need access to app or notification settings. On Android, tap Apps, find WhatsApp, then Notifications. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow WhatsApp. You'll use these screens to change call notification behavior. Keep your passcode handy if the phone locks. Now, move to the specific call notification controls. Don't skip directly to app changes. Next, alter how incoming calls are presented. You want notifications, not a full-screen takeover. On Android, look for pop-up, full-screen intent, or display over other apps and turn them off. Set call notifications to silent or banner. On iPhone, change WhatsApp notification style from alerts to banners and disable show on lock screen if needed. These changes stop the call from interrupting your lock screen. Make sure to test with a second phone. Place it on standby and ask someone to call. Finally, always test immediately. You call from another phone and confirm WhatsApp rings quietly without taking over the lock screen. If it still does, reboot the device. Sometimes settings need a restart to apply. Then, check WhatsApp battery and background permissions. Deny any special overlay rights. As a last resort, reinstall WhatsApp or reset app notification preferences. This preserves chats but refreshes settings. If problems persist, verify OS level settings. Sometimes system updates change behavior, so make sure your OS is current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.